Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Burning Gundam / God Gundam Full Suit Build Series Part 10. So today I'm going to go outside. I'm going to do some work, some body work under some rough spots that need to be taken care of, and also show everything that I have completed so far. So let's head outside. Okay, so here is everything that I have printed so far. This is about 95% of the full suit that has been printed. I still got to work on the neck. I have to reprint it just a little bit bigger and take a little bit out of the Z-axis because it was a little too high on my neck. But as you can see, everything else is done. I still have to figure out how to connect these ankle pieces to the shin. I need to figure that part out, and I'm still trying to figure out if these side skirt pieces here is too wide for the front and back skirt. And also I still have to figure out how to attach this backpack to back here, which I think I might do bolts. Just melt a hole right here for the bolt and then just weld it right in place, and then drill holes on back of here, and hoping that that will be strong enough to hold that together. And I got to figure out how I'm going to weld all the wings together. And as you can see, I still have a lot of work to do on the wings. I got to clean up all those holes and everything when I went welding the wings together. So this is what I have, and now we just continue on. Not ready for final paint yet. A lot of places still need some work, smoothing, and just getting rid of layer lines. So now we get to the fun part. Okay, we're back inside now. So I was outside for about 3 hours. I was able to sand down the entire suit. I did the Bondo work on the wings. One of the wings I have to weld back together because it broke. I also did some filler primer on the thighs because they were finally done. I did the filler primer on the shins, the outer claws, the bicep and the forearm, and the outer arm. Did some Bondo work on the front skirt, and I just sanded everything else down. Still got a good bit of work to do, but I'm getting there. So That's it for right now. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And also, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up to let me know that you like this video. Thank you. If you're curious to find out what products I used during this whole build series, please check the links below. And I have an affiliation with Amazon, and I'll show you all the products that I used, all the different paints, the filaments, and anything like that. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.